Hi everybody, today is Monday, so we have a lot of works today because we have visitors that will visit here in our church and also our ministries in other places. We have a companion here for Monday ministry. Hello YT. We are in the Falun Golf Course Country Club. So now we are waiting for our visitors because we check in here in this So, like I told you a while ago, we will have our ministry here in New York Church, but we also have our visitors.
Natatawag ka.
제일 건강. 짜요.
Image niya, sa wangis niya. Pero dumating yung kasalanan.
Bakit?
Kaya po kami malitaw.
So we're giving now their gifts in pasalubong from St. Church.
크네. 근데 잘 입맛에 안 맞을 수도 있어.
Thank you sa ating visitor. 1, 2, 3, go! We're done eating our dinner. With our... Bye-bye everyone.
Bye po, thank you.